In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Google Meet. Whether you're working from home, attending virtual classes, or just want to add a little flair to your online meetings, changing your background can be a fun way to personalize your experience. It's quick and easy, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to switch up your virtual surroundings with confidence. First, let's start by heading over to the Google Meet website. Make sure you're using a web browser that supports Google Meet. Google Chrome is a popular choice because it tends to work well with Google services. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll notice the Sign In button prominently displayed at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your Google account details, select your Google account from the list, and sign in. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to provide your email and password. It's important to ensure your account is signed in so you have full access to all Google Meet features. Once you're signed in, the next step is to navigate to your meeting. You can either create a new meeting link or join an existing one. When you're in the waiting room or the meeting, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You should see a camera preview icon. It's typically situated on the bottom left. Click on this preview to expand your camera options. Now, find the icon that represents background effects. It's often depicted by a tiny silhouette or a star icon. Clicking this will open up a variety of virtual backgrounds to choose from. Here's where the fun part begins. Browse through the selection of backgrounds. You might find scenic landscapes, office-like environments, or abstract designs. Pick a background that appeals to you or suits the tone of your meeting. After you've made your choice, simply click on the background to apply it. You'll see a live preview of how it looks before others in the meeting can see it. This way, you can experiment a bit and make adjustments if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your background in Google Meet. Not only does this allow for a personalized touch during meetings, but it can also provide some privacy by blurring your actual surroundings. It's that easy. With these steps, you can now enhance your virtual meetings with creativity and style. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try out different backgrounds and see which suits you best. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your meetings with your new backgrounds.